your girl Sophie and welcome back to my channel. Quick disclaimer, guys, my hands are super orange. Like, it's really embarrassing. I self-tanned really last minute and decided to use my hands, and this is what happens. So throughout the video, you're gonna see my cringy fingers, so try not to let them distract you. This is my Valentine's Day tutorial. I'm so excited. I've actually tried filming this video twice, and this is a look that I absolutely fell in love with, and I feel like this look is something that I would wear and something that I feel like other people can get inspiration off of. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. So let's go ahead and get started. So I did my brows off camera already, and I used the Billion Dollar Brows brow pencil. Now to prime my lids, I'm going to be using my concealer, which is the Bare Minerals concealer, and I'm blending that away with the BH Cosmetics 141 brush. To set that, I'm going to be using my compact powder, which is the IT Cosmetics CC cream. And now we can get ready for eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the Iconic Couture palette from the brand Milan Row, and I'm using the color Twinkle, which is a light pink for our transition color, and the brush M505 from Morphe. From the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm using the color Burnt Orange, and then the brush M412 from Morphe, and I'm just applying that on the same area, basically on my whole entire crease. Getting the Sigma Warm Neutrals Volume 2 eyeshadow palette, I'm using the color Rogue and the brush R39 from Morphe, and applying that into the same area. Back to the Iconic Couture palette, I'm getting the color Diva, and with the same brush, I'm just applying this onto the crease just to intensify this look. And then I'm blending out my edges before I dip back into Forbidden, right onto the outer V, and this is what's really going to kind of make this look more purpley. Now I'm going to go ahead and start cutting my crease. I'm using the Born This Way concealer and this flat brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm basically just following my natural crease, just going a little tiny bit higher so I'm able to see it when I look straight ahead, because I do have hooded eyes. From the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, I'm getting the silver, which is going to be our lid color, and I'm applying that everywhere that I cut my crease. And then of course I'm going to try and clean up this mess and fallout, so I'm going to go ahead and do that and sharpen out the eyeshadow as well. To intensify, I'm getting the black from the Jaclyn Hill palette and the M507 brush, and just applying that into like the outer V to help transition that silver color to the dark black color. Now I actually winged out my eyeshadow with this brush, and I think because of the fact that I wiped and like sharpened out the eyeshadow, it really helps me create the winged liner with the eyeshadow. Now for the liner and the lash line, I'm using the Balm Cosmetics liner. And then I'm going to go back with the M507 brush and the black color and just smoke this out as much as I can to get a nice, crisp, smoky shadow. I'm getting the same lid color, and with the Y22 brush, applying that under my brow bone and in my inner corner. For lashes, I'm using the ELO Cosmetics lashes in the style Becca and using dual glue to apply them. Now I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my BoxyCharm. I'm super excited to show you guys my BoxyCharm because I got some good goodies that I'm going to be using. So the first thing I'm using is the full-size Better Than Sex mascara. I'm literally shook that they gave you a full-size product of this. Now for the face, I'm going to be grabbing the No Problema primer from Touch in Sol. And after that is set, I'm going to be getting the Bare Minerals Stick Concealer for extra coverage before applying foundation. For foundation, I'm using the Lancome foundation and a beauty blender to apply it. For concealer, I'm going to be using the concealer I've been using throughout this whole entire videos, which is the Bare Minerals one, and I'm applying that under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, chin, and Cupid's bow. Basically all of the areas that I want to brighten up my face. To set all of that, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me in the color Light, and I'm just applying that with a damp beauty blender as well as on my forehead and areas that I tend to crease. I also got the Morphe Y1 brush, and I basically just applied that powder all over my face. For my brows, I'm getting this Mini Benefit Brow Gel, and I'm applying that onto my brows. For bronzer, to give life to my face, I'm going to be using this new bronzer that I've been obsessed with, and it's the Sephora bronzer, which is literally a dupe for MAC Give Me Sun, like to the T, same exact product. It's really crazy. This is one of their mineral skin finishes, so it's not necessarily a bronzer, but you just get the color deep. For blush, I'm using the blush in the palette from the Balm Cosmetics, and then I'm also getting this lighter shade to just carve out my cheekbones, because, you know, we just gotta be, that jawline gotta be snatched, you know what I mean? And then for highlighter, I'm gonna be using the Pretty Vulgar highlighter that I got from BoxyCharm this month, and I'm using this little fan brush from Morphe that I've been obsessed with, and this is the M558 brush from Morphe. So I'm basically just going to apply this into all of the areas that we want to highlight our face. Going back to the Milan Row palette, I'm getting Diva, and I'm applying that under my lash line just to give some intensity to it, and I wanted to stick to purple colors. And then I'm just applying some mascara on my bottom lashes. Now for lips, I'm going to be using this duo that I've been obsessed with. I'm using the LA Pro Concealer. Yes, I know, concealer on my lips, but guys, this works. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toast. And then on top of that, I apply the Maybelline Liquid Lip in Driver, and this combination has been so beautiful. It's a perfect brown nude. To top it off, I apply some lip gloss, and this is the Rimmel London Stay Glossy Lip Gloss, and I'm using the Beauty Blender Redo Spray to finish off this look. That's basically it. This is my Valentine's Day look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. For more videos like these, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give it a big thumbs up. See you guys next time.